Hello and welcome to another episode of Gotham Sound TV. I have with me Glenn Sanders of Zaxcom. Hi, Glenn.
Hey, Peter.
He is here to show us the Deva 24 and the Mix 16. So we're going to do this in two parts. The first part that you're watching now is going to be a quick overview, and tune into the second part, which will be a much more in-depth overview. So having said that, Glenn, what do you got?
We have started to ship the Deva 24. Deva 24 is a portable mixer recorder for sound cart or sound bag. The great part about it is very lightweight. It has a very small footprint, and it is, generally speaking, very cost effective.
How many inputs?
Deva 24 has 16 analog inputs. It has 12 mic pre's that are switchable mic or line with phantom power, and 4 line-only inputs. On the mic pre's, we actually have our never clip inputs, meaning that we have a total of 136 dB dynamic range. This totally eliminates any need for input limiters or compressors that distort the audio in order to get things to fit into a limited dynamic range. So with this system, you're going to have cleaner audio at higher SPLs that are coming in than with any other solution.
Wow. And going to how many tracks?
That'll be to 24 tracks.
Hence the name.
Hence the name.
Right. Full timecode capability, of course.
Absolutely. There's 2 BNC connectors for timecode in and out. Also has a built-in timecode slate, so if you're going to use it in your sound bag, you can actually slate cameras with it. It records to 3 medias simultaneously. There's a SATA drive, internal SATA drive, that can be 1 terabyte in size. We have 2 compact flash cards that you can also use SD adapters in if you want to record to SD. And there's an eSATA port as well, so you can have a full terabyte-sized external eSATA drive to send to post-production that can handle a whole season's worth of audio.
Let's talk about outputs.
Well, there are 10 output buses. Those are available as both analog and AES. You're able to take any one of the internal tracks and route them or mix them to the external outputs. You also have control of the level using 2 of the knobs on the Deva 24, as well as if you utilize the external control surface, there's 8 output mixing knobs for that as well.
Wow. And speaking of knobs, the knobs on the front are assignable to any function.
That's right, Peter. They can be faders, they can be input trims, or they can be Zaxnet control to control the microphone preamps inside of our wireless microphones. So that can be boom mics, body mics. The Deva 24 ties totally into the Zaxnet system, currently using an external IFB 200 transmitter, and that would allow you to transmit remote control commands, timecode, as well as IFB audio to our wireless system as well as our IFB receivers.
It also works with this Mix 16 control surface.
Well, that's right. Deva 24, when used with the Mix 16, gives you an extremely power-efficient solution for mixing all the inputs to the 24 tracks. In fact, the whole system only draws 1.5 amps. I mean, that is literally a quarter of the power of other systems that are out there to do the same number of inputs, outputs, and tracks. The mixing surface includes 16 motorized faders arranged as 5 banks, which effectively give you 80 faders worth of control. It allows you to operate the faders, input controls that can also work with Zaxnet. There's track routing right on each strip. There's an input meter, as well as meters for your 2 mixable tracks.
Incredible. And all shipping right now.
All shipping right now.
Let's talk for a minute about future options. I understand Dante is going to be a future option.
Well, that's right. We hope to deliver the Dante option just after NAB. And that'll give you another 16 inputs that you can put right into the Deva, so you can, generally speaking, use to hook up external mixers, hook up receivers, wireless receivers equipped with Dante that might be a distance away from the sound card. So any Dante application you'd be able to handle.
It's great. Thank you very much, Glenn, for stopping by.
Thank you, Peter. It's great to be here.
Yeah, it's great to have you. For more information, please check out our second video that goes into all of these topics in detail. And as always, please visit us at our video archives, gothamsound.tv. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter for the latest news, and please send your ideas to info@gothamsound.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks to the crew. Thank you.